Solve the following homogeneous differential equation. Let's write this in terms of standard form. I mean dy over dx equals something. So move this term to the right hand side, then we get x plus root xy dy equals negative y dx to the right hand side, so y dx, and bring dx to the left side and move this to the right side. We get in differential form to derivative form, dy over dx. Now derivative form equals y over x plus root xy. Okay, this is homogeneous in the sense the top has degree 1 and bottom has degree 1 as well. Okay, x times 1 1 1 2, but we have a square root, so degree 1. Now this is not separable. The main problem here, this is not separable, so we will make a substitution so that this becomes separable. So we let y equals vx. Okay, so we let y equals vx and replace y throughout by vx. Let's see, this is d of dx, d over dx, derivative of y. That means the derivative of y is now vx is equal to y is vx over x plus root x times y is vx, x times vx, so vx is squared. Now we want to find the derivative of v times x using product rule. So v derivative of x1 plus x derivative of v, x dv over dx is equal to, on the top we have vx, on the bottom when we take square root of x square, and let's say x is positive, then x comes outside x, we can factor x out, 1 plus root v. Okay, then x cancel. We have assumed x is positive in this case. By the way, when we do this, we have assumed x is positive. Now we need to move v to the other side because we have v over 1 plus root v in the right hand side. So x dv over dx is equal to v over 1 plus root v minus v. Now we combine these two fractions and get x dv over dx is equal to, now we need to make the same denominator, so 1 plus root v, so we multiply second fraction by 1 plus root v over 1 plus root v, so the common denominator is 1 plus root v, so this is v minus v times 1 plus root v. Okay, let's simplify the top. X dv over dx equals 1 plus root v. Okay, do not cancel v and v, so we need to distribute v minus v times 1 v minus plus minus v times root v, so that's v raised to 3 halves, because v times root v, that's v raised to 1, v raised to 1 half, so v raised to 1 plus 1 half, 3 halves. Now v and negative v cancel, then we have x dv over dx is equal to negative, let me put over here, negative v raised to 3 halves over 1 plus root v on the bottom. Okay, now we want to separate the variables, this v functions in the left side, x dx in the right hand side, and we can leave negative in the right, negative 1. So 1 plus root v comes to the top over v raised to 3 halves, which is in fact v times root v on the bottom, and dv in the left hand side minus 1 dx x, so 1 over x dx. Okay, and we integrate both sides and finally replace v by, because here is our substitution, y equals vx, and v is in fact y over x, and we get the final answer. Now let's integrate this. We have two terms on the top, so we can separate this fraction. So 1 over v raised to 3 halves dv, okay, plus root v over v raised to 3 halves is in fact v times root v. So root v cancel, just v leaves on the bottom, just 1v, 1 over v. Or you can think in this way, this is v raised to 1 half and 3 halves. 3 halves minus 1 half is just 1. dv is equal to negative outside, and integral of 1 over x is just natural log of absolute x, but we already assumed x is positive somewhere here, okay, and we just write x and we can say x is positive, okay. And let's move on. Let's integrate plus c, plus the integrating constant, okay, c. Now 1 over v raised to 3 halves, move this to the top. This is v raised to negative 3 halves, and use the power rule. You know, x and dx is just x n plus 1 over n plus 1. That's the power rule. So this is v raised to negative 3 halves. So integral will be v raised to negative 3 half plus 1, negative 1 half, divided by the same thing, negative 1 half, plus integral of 1 over v is just natural log of absolute v. Okay, just let me write v equals negative natural log of x plus c. Now we just replace v by, here's the v by y over x using our substitution, and that's the final answer. So negative 1 half becomes a negative 2 over 1 in the front, so that is negative 2. Now v raised to negative 1 half, to get rid of this negative, let's put on the bottom, and v is y over x 1 half, so square root 1 half means square root of y over x, okay, negative 2 over square root of y over x plus natural log of v is y over x equals negative natural log of x plus c. You can simplify one more step, just take square root of x on the top. So negative 2 is square root of x over square root of y plus natural log of y over x equals negative natural log of x plus c. Okay, this is final.